Have you ever wondered how those juicy apples turn into the refreshing apple juice you enjoy? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey from orchard to bottle. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind every sip of this delightful drink. Hello there, buddies. Welcome back to We Are All Makers. Today, we'll look at how fresh apples are transformed into delightful apple juice. Ready to start? Let's go. Let's start in the orchard, where workers are hand-picking apples at their peak maturity. Imagine a range of apples, from sweet to sour, coming together to produce the right blend in your drink. Did you know that blending different apple cultivars improves the flavor profile of juice? Once the apples arrive at the facility, they take a cool bath in massive washing tanks. This isn't just any rinse. It's a comprehensive cleansing that leaves each apple pristine. Fun fact, the water utilized here is frequently recycled and cleaned, making the procedure environmentally friendly. Now comes the fun part. The apples are smashed into a pulp. Imagine thousands of apples being reduced to a delicious mush. This pulp is necessary for extracting every drop of juice. Did you know that the pulp still includes a lot of fiber and nutrients, making it highly valuable? On to the pressing stage. Apple pulp is subjected to high pressure in massive hydraulic presses. It's like a big, strong hug that squeezes out the juice. Interesting fact, these presses can extract up to 75% of the juice from the pulp, so nothing goes to waste. To obtain the crystal clear juice, it is filtered to remove any solids. Consider a gigantic sieve that collects all of the microscopic bits while leaving smooth, pure juice behind. Did you know that this filtration process not only clarifies the juice but also increases its shelf life? Next step is pasteurization, which involves gently heating the juice to kill any hazardous microorganisms. Consider it a spa day for the juice, keeping it healthy and delightful. Here's an interesting fact. Pasteurization protects the juice's fresh taste while making it safe to drink. Blending is where the magic occurs. Different batches of juice are combined to create a well-balanced flavor. Natural flavors or additional vitamins are occasionally added. Did you know that this technique ensures that each bottle has a consistent, delicious flavor? Before it hits the stores, the juice undergoes stringent quality control. Consider it the last exam with tests for taste, clarity, and safety. Did you know that each batch is sampled to guarantee it meets the highest quality standards? The juice is now on its way to the bottling line. Imagine rows of bottles whizzing along, being filled with fresh juice, then sealed and capped. Here is something cool. Modern bottling lines are so efficient that they can fill hundreds of bottles every hour. Finally, the bottles are tagged and put into cartons, ready for distribution to retailers. Consider these cartons being placed onto trucks, ready to deliver fresh apple juice to you. Fun fact, the packaging is intended to keep the juice fresh and safe in travel. And there you have it, the voyage of apple juice from orchard to fridge. It combines traditional workmanship with modern technology. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing tour of We All Makers. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes glimpses at how ordinary goods are created. See you next time.